Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and I'm about to put this house on the market on 2092 Silence Drive in San Jose, 95148. Beautiful neighborhood, right in the East Foothills in the Evergreen area, and this house is absolutely stunning. It's unbelievable. One of the things that I think stand out most to me is it's sitting on a 30,650 square foot lot. So that's 2/3 of an acre, which is unbelievable in San Jose in a suburban setting like this. But also this house has a 3-car garage. It also has wholly owned solar, so there's no payment for electricity. And in addition to that, it has a Tesla Powerwall. It's an absolutely amazing house. Why don't you come inside and take a look with me? So this one here, it's a custom built house that was built in 1986. It's 2,164 square feet. And like I said, it's a 2/3 of an acre lot, and it's mostly completely flat with entrances both on Silence as well as on the adjacent street. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is really, really nice with a lot of upgrades that were put in originally. It has beautiful oak cabinets all the way throughout. It has a great kitchen, wide open, lots of counter space, newer appliances, and it has really beautiful flooring all the way throughout. It has an open floor plan and a lot of light coming in, especially in the dining and family room. The house has been recently painted, new molding, and lots of new hardware as well. Now, a lot of times when you have a house that's close to 2,200 square feet, they jam in 4 or 5 bedrooms, but this one's just 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, which leaves a lot of space for those larger bedrooms, as well as a lot of living space for everyone to share. When I'm working with buyers, one of the things that I like to point out to them is the capital upgrades. These are the type of upgrades that you really don't get attracted to visually or on a cosmetic level, but they're very expensive and very important. So in this house's case, we have central AC, fully owned solar, double pane windows, a 3-car garage, and it has a roof that is original, but it's a tile roof that's probably going to last forever. On this 30,000 plus square foot lot, it's also beautifully landscaped both in the front and in the back, and your only neighbor behind you is just a beautiful pasture where there's horses roaming. No matter where you buy a home, when it comes to real estate, location is everything. And this is an amazing location for a lot of reasons. Number one, you kind of have this mix of a suburban feel, but also it feels a little bit like you're in a world of your own. As I mentioned, there's really no neighbor behind you. You have this big lot all around you, and it's just a beautiful setting. But you're still in San Jose, so you're still close to downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest US campus. It's very commutable to 101, which will allow you to get to the peninsula where all the tech giants that Silicon Valley is world-renowned for reside, such as Facebook, Apple, LinkedIn, and the like. And of course, it's a quiet, mature neighborhood. It's a very easy driving distance to hiking trails, lots of parks, and lots of outdoor recreation that you can do, in addition to being close to Eastridge Mall, where there's plenty of shopping and dining at your fingertips. As always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this beautiful house in Evergreen. If you have any questions about this house or real estate related questions in general, hit me up on the phone number, either a text message or a phone call, and click like and subscribe for more videos like this.